Have you seen what just leaked online? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is suddenly all over the internet, thanks to the expiration of DJI's FCC confidentiality period. These new images have sparked a wave of speculation across the tech community, with enthusiasts zooming into every detail trying to decode DJI's next move. But before jumping to conclusions, a word of caution. Trusted insiders like Hakasushi and Quadrant News are reminding everyone that the final version might still differ from what we're seeing. It's worth remembering that the first hints of the Osmo Action 6 surfaced back in December 2024 through FCC filings, sparking predictions of an early 2025 launch. While that didn't happen immediately, these newly surfaced visuals suggest the timing is finally right. It looks like DJI is gearing up to unveil a fresh chapter in its action cam legacy. And here at Technify, we're breaking it all down for you. From what the leaked images reveal, DJI seems to be sticking with the proven strengths of its previous models. The Osmo Action 6 retains the popular dual-screen setup, with displays on both the front and rear, ideal for vloggers and content creators who regularly switch camera angles. The front-facing lens remains large and prominent, a clear sign of the camera's focus on performance and image precision. But what's really stirred curiosity is a peculiar new pill-shaped module positioned below the front screen. Nobody has quite figured out what it does yet, and that mystery is only adding to the buzz surrounding the device. Also intriguing is the documentation showing two different battery capacities: 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This has led many to speculate that DJI could be preparing two distinct versions of the Osmo Action 6. Perhaps a standard edition and a high-performance Pro variant, echoing what we saw with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. If this is accurate, the higher capacity battery might be reserved for the Pro model, likely offering extended runtime and premium-grade capabilities. The smaller battery, meanwhile, could be part of a lighter, more travel-friendly version. This kind of dual-variant approach would make a lot of sense. A Pro model could cater to professionals who need advanced features like longer recording sessions, improved dynamic range, higher video resolutions, and top-tier stabilization. Meanwhile, a standard edition would appeal to casual users looking for a solid, everyday action cam that's more affordable and easy to use. Battery life, as always, is a central issue for action cam users. Whether you're shooting time-lapse in the mountains or filming underwater, having a reliable power source is essential. Offering two battery options would let users choose between longevity and portability, depending on their specific needs. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro was praised for its compact design and solid image quality, it wasn't without its flaws. Critics noted issues with its performance in low light and a somewhat limited range of video resolution settings. If DJI is planning to address these shortcomings in the Osmo Action 6, we could be looking at a significant step forward. Enhanced low-light capabilities would be a huge win, especially for creators who shoot at night or in dim settings like concerts, indoor events, or underwater scenes. Expanded resolution and frame rate support would also appeal to filmmakers and vloggers who demand creative flexibility and professional-grade output. And we can't forget about stabilization. While the Action 5 Pro already delivered strong results, there's always room for improvement. With competitors like GoPro continuing to raise the bar, DJI needs to keep refining its rocksteady tech to remain competitive. What's also exciting is how quickly DJI seems to be iterating. The Osmo Action 5 Pro still feels new, but here we are already looking at what's next. That suggests DJI is listening closely to community feedback and acting fast, something that could give them a serious edge in the increasingly crowded action camera market. Given the timing of the FCC filing, a full launch announcement could be just around the corner. These types of regulatory reveals typically happen a few months ahead of official releases, so it's safe to say DJI is gearing up to make a splash very soon. Based on what we've seen so far, the Osmo Action 6 could be smarter, more powerful, and more creator-focused than anything DJI has launched before. So, what's the bottom line? The DJI Osmo Action 6 looks set to be an impressive evolution in DJI's action camera lineup. From possible Pro and standard variants to mysterious new hardware components and substantial upgrades in stabilization and image quality, this model could mark a new high point for DJI. More importantly, it looks like DJI isn't just sticking with what worked before. They're actively refining the formula, addressing past criticisms, and adapting to the demands of modern content creators. Whether it's better low-light performance, improved battery options, or cutting-edge video features, everything about the Osmo Action 6 suggests that this isn't just a minor refresh, it's a bold leap forward. At Technify, we'll be keeping a close eye on every development and leak as we move closer to the official reveal. If you're excited about what's coming, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more camera tech coverage on the way, and you won't want to miss what's next.